Hello and welcome. My name is Job Kenyani. I'm in charge of operations here at RCM. I'm also a lecturer, so I teach a number of units: company law, introduction to law and governance, auditing and assurance, and leadership and management. At RCM, we offer a number of professional courses. So our major courses we offer are examined by CASNEB and of course also NEC. So for CASNEB, we offer CPA, we offer ATD, we offer CAMS, we offer CIFA, we offer CS, majorly those ones. So those are the ones that are on high demand by professionals wishing to get into accountancy or finance or maybe auditing. So CPA, that is a certified public accountants. CIFA, that is a certified investment financial analysts. CS is certified secretaries. ATD is the technical diploma offered before you can go to CPA. Then you have CAMS, which is the certificate course to start your career in finance or accountancy, offered by CASNEB. Then there are a number of diploma courses for NEC also. We do offer in ICT, business management, human resource procurement, amongst others. The requirements for the professional courses, there are a number of requisite requirements that you'll have to meet before you can be able to join the CPA course. So of course, there are those ones who are coming from Form 4. So for CPA, CIFA, and CS, so minimum qualification is C+, mean grade of C+ and above. But of course, there are those who've already been able to pursue they have pursued other courses, like maybe diploma, or maybe in this case, a bachelor's degree. So that could be in finance, business, or any other bachelor's degree. So you can be offered exemptions, and of course here simply means you can start from the intermediate level. That is if you are joining CPA. So you can start with the intermediate level. So for Form 4 leavers, you must have gotten at least a C+ and above, or maybe you have a bachelor's degree, or you have another diploma course. You can be given exemptions and you'll be able to enroll into these courses. So majorly for NEC courses, that is I think C, if you've gotten C, C- or C+, you can start from any level. So that from certificate, then eventually you can maybe advance to a diploma. Why should you be able to join RCM? I can encourage you to join RCM is because we provide a lot of technical support to our students. So for example, those who enroll for our online classes, we provide for them a portal platform where they can be able to get access to all the videos that have actually already been covered in class, so they can do their own personal revision or personal studies by having to review these videos from time to time. Whenever they have like a difficult schedule, they can always go back to the portal and access the already covered classes. Apart from this, we provide high quality revision kits and of course study books. These study books are provided as hard copies and then of course also as soft copies. So we have study books. These are basically books which have been arranged topically from the first topic up to the last topic. We have revision kits. These are simply books which covers past paper questions and answers. They have been arranged in a more friendly manner. So you simply basically after the question, you get the answer. So also we have an app. So we have like an app. For more flexibility, you can also access pre-recorded videos that are actually on our app. So that is majorly for those who are having to study online. Even for our physical classes students, we do provide teaching and of course also notes in class, so handouts. Still for the online students, we provide handouts in class, so just to supplement even the study books and revision kits, and even accessibility of videos on our app platform. Once you enroll for our classes is that we have a platform where all the students are placed. That is WhatsApp platform. So in case of any challenge, you can always pose a question there. The teacher is able to provide the support, and even we have the administration team. They can be able to provide support whenever you have a challenge. So further to that, during the live classes, so you can always pose a question to the teacher. They can be able to answer the question comprehensively. So there is the live interaction you get with the lecturers when you're in the live classes that are having to be conducted. There's the WhatsApp platform that in this case you can be able to pose a question or ask any question or maybe concern. If you need notes, if you need more support, that's where the teacher can be able to provide support, and even the administration team at RCM can also be able to answer some of the queries you might actually be having. So if it is so much pressing, you can still even give us a call. We can be able to give you the necessary support from the relevant teams at RCM. So RCM provides the necessary flexibility. What is the flexibility? We do have online classes, we do have physical classes. The other flexibility we have classes having spread across. So that is like you can get early morning classes, you can get during the day classes, you can get evening classes. So that is the flexibility we are able to provide. So, and our sessions run, for example, if it is morning, so we have the early morning classes from 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. During the day, we have our physical classes which are running throughout the day. We also stream them live, so you can access them between 8 a.m. up to 4 p.m. We have the evening classes, so still you can get them on the physical platform, or maybe in this case on the online platform. They run from around 6 p.m. up to around 10 p.m. So the flexibility is there. So if you are working, if you're not working, so you can always get the flexibility with RCM. So that's what we're having to say. Even we have an accessibility to our portal where you can be able to access the already recorded classes to be able to revise on your own. RCM Online College is the leading virtual college that was accredited by CASNEM to provide CASNEM courses. So RCM stands out because we have quality lecturers. So we have qualified lecturers who are specialized, they are well versed in knowledge for different subjects. So that is number one. Number two, there's the flexibility we provide that other schools cannot actually be able to provide. I've already been able to mention them, that we have a spread out timetable. We have the portal accessibility to our pre-recorded classes. You can always access them 24 hours, whichever time, whether it is at night, during the day, whichever time. We have our app that basically provides a platform where you can be able to access videos offline. We have revision kits, which most of the other schools cannot actually be able to provide. And these revision kits are quality. You can access them in softs or even in hard copy. Another thing is that our programs are actually very affordable. So the fee rates we charge are very affordable compared to other schools. Then, as I've already been able to mention, so other than just having to study at RCM, there's the advantage that you'll get mentorship from the different professionals having to teach our courses. Then to add on that, we make you become relevant to the job market. So we provide other courses like, for example, Advanced Excel, we provide QuickBooks trainings, we provide Sage, amongst others. So you'll be a ready accountant to be able to get into this profession if you study at RCM. So a few institutions can be able to provide this. This is why in this case we stand out from the other institutions. The future plans we have is to provide more flexibility to our students in the accessibility of our studies, whichever place they are. This by having to ensure that they can be able to access the materials, even the books, even the classes at very affordable prices. So to add on that, the other, of course, courses which are having to be offered even by CASNEM, we would like in this case to be able to incorporate them majorly, for example, regarding maybe ICT, like for example, certified forensic fraud examiners. So those are some of the future plans we intend to put in place to provide more training to our students who are having to study with us. Okay, so we are having to say that we provide the virtual and of course also the physical classes. But what we've been able to notice as an institution, so there is more, most of the students are having to enroll. So they are, since the COVID pandemic, I think around 2020 up to now, so there's more liking of students having to get into the virtual classes compared to the physical classes. So the demand for virtual classes has actually been high, but still in this case, we do have the capacity to be able to even expand our physical space to be able to provide classes for even physical students. So we do not worry, even in this case, if we have physical or more online students. So we do have the capacity to provide teachings for online and even physical classes students. We welcome all students to be able to join us, either physical students, physical classes students, or even online classes students. But since the pandemic, that is COVID-19, so there's more liking of students having to join the virtual classes compared to a physical class. But we are ready to provide the relevant support for even physical classes students and even online classes students.